Hi, my name is Dr. Brittany Hill and I am a sports chiropractor. Today we are at Replenish Cryo here in Pearland, Texas, and I am about to perform a side posture adjustment on future pro wrestler, Miss Angela. She has a misaligned pelvis, which we discovered as she was being body buffed, which is one of the services that we supply here at Replenish as part of our conservative recovery treatment. So we're going to get started with the side posture adjustment now. This adjustment is going to realign her pelvis, which is the foundation of her spine. Okay, I'm going to have you scoot up towards me. And hopefully you guys can hear the pop. That's what everybody likes. There we go. All right, so we just got that. So we're gonna have you go back face down, Angela. And we're gonna check to make sure that adjustment actually corrected the misalignment. And we check that by looking at her feet, which her feet are now even. So we're gonna move up to the rest of the spine because we got the foundation fixed. She's complaining about a little back pain. And what I'm doing now is just feeling for the misalignment, which I found one right here. So we're gonna fix it. There we go. Good. Good.
That felt good.
She has a problem relaxing, but she said it felt good. So I'm checking the neck next. And I'm just feeling for misalignments there, and I'm feeling one on this side. So we'll make that correction. Have you look? Good.
Oh, that felt great.
And that was it.
Did you hear that? Oh my gosh.
All right, we're all done. I'm
all better now.
Good.
Bird makes a body slams.